Kertagosa is a historic complex that once served as the royal court of justice under the rule of the Semarapura Kingdom 1686 to 1909 and continued to function during the Dutch colonial era 1909 to 1942. Within this era, three main remain of the Semarapura Kingdom remain the Balai Kertagosa, the Balai Kambang with the Taman Gelipon, and the Place Gate. On the west side of the complex stands the Semarajaya Museum, a building in a Dutch Balinese architectural style which formerly served as a Dutch school. Kertagosa and Balai Kambang buildings are magnificently designed with stone and red brick foundation, tiered staircase, and thatched ijuk roofs adorned with statues and carvings. However, the most captivating features are the Wayang Kamasan style paintings that decorate the ceilings. In Balai Kambang, the ceilings paintings depict folk tales such as Sutasoma, Panbrayut, and Palalintangan. Meanwhile, in Kertagosa, the painting illustrates stories like Nidiyah Tantri, Bima Swarga, Adiparwa, and Palelidon. These stories are rich in moral values, Hindu philosophy, and universal teachings of godness and justice. The paintings were restored in 1930 by Kamasan artists and underwent another restoration in 1960. Today, the complex has been officially designated as a cultural heritage site and stands as a symbol of the enduring legacy of past civilization. The Kertagosa building is believed to have been constructed around the year 1700. This is indicated by the Chandra Cangkala date inscription featuring the symbol of Chakra, Yuyu, and Paksi-Paksi carved above the entrance, signifying the year 1661 Saka. This year coincides with the regent of King Dewa Agung Jambe, who is also believed to have named the site Kertagosa. Etymologically, Kertagosa comes from Sanskrit. Kerta means good, peaceful, prosperous, and happy, while Gosa means proclamation or announcement. Thus, Kertagosa can be interpreted as a place for announcing noble matters to create peace and justice. Its main function was a place for the king to deliberate on governmental, legal, and security matters. As court of justice, Kertagosa reflects a legal system that was transparent and above local wisdom. Even during colonial rule, court proceedings continued to observe customary practice. Far from the sacred grounds of Kertagosa, nestled within the heart of Klungkung, stands the historically rich and culturally vibrant Semarajaya Museum. This important cultural institution was officially inaugurated on the 28th of April 1992 by Rutini, who at that time served as the Minister of Home Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia. The museum's local is paved in historical significance. It was built on the site of Pamadal Agung, the main gate of the Klungkung Royal Place, which had served as the grand entrance to the seat of power from generation of Balinese kings. Beyond its royal heritage, the site of the museum also bears witness to the educational legacy of the colonial era, having once hosted the Mir Utgebrit Lager under which a Dutch middle school institution for native elites during the early 20th century and later. The pioneering SMP Negeri 1 Klungkung. This convergence of royal, colonial, and educational history enriches the site with layers of meaning and makes the museum a sentinel stop for anyone interested in understanding the evolution of Balinese society. Architecturally, the Semarajaya Museum reflects a harmonious blend of Dutch colonial and traditional Balinese design, following the Bali-centering style and architectural movement that sought to combine Europa and Balinese aesthetic during the late colonial period. The structure stands as a symbol of cultural adaptation, resistance, and continuity, respecting how local identity can be preserved even through periods of external influence. Inside, the museum houses a diverse and meticulously curated collection that span various periods of Balinese history, from the prehistoric era to the twilight of the Klungkung Kingdom. Visitors can explore artifacts such as stone tools and property shared, which speak to early human settlement on the island. These are complemented by collection of ceremonial and religious artifacts used in traditional Balinese ritual, festival, and temple ceremonies, reflecting the deep spiritual life of the Balinese people. The museum also features a remarkable array of traditional weaponry, including keris and tombak, showcasing the craftsmanship and material traditional of the kingdom. A section is dedicated to textile and weaving, particularly the endek and songket fabric native to Klungkung. A particularly moving aspect of the museum is its collection of archival photographs, documents, and personal belongings of the royal family, which provide a real glimpse into crown life and governance in historical Bali. From portraits of king and queens to letters, royal seals, and official decors, this relaxed, paint an intimate portrait of leadership, diplomacy, and cultural life in Bygone era. In addition to its static displays, the museum is an active participant in heritage education and community. Managed by the Klungkung Regency government, the museum has developed an innovative program called Bersamamu, which invites students, researchers, educators, and community organizations to experience historical visitors. This approach has made the Semarajaya Museum a dynamic learning center where history is not just preserved but actively interpreted and shared in ways that are accessible, relevant, and deeply personal. By connecting visitors, specifically the younger generation, to the stories and symbols of their ancestors, the museum helped cultivate a strong sense of identity and cultural pride. The museum is open to public from Tuesday to Sunday and remains closed at major religions and national holidays, respecting local customs and sacred times. For travelers, academic, or local residents seeking a deeper understanding of Balinese heritage, the Semarajaya Museum offers not only a window into the past but also a bridge to the future, a space where cultural life breathes and continues to inspire us. As you walk through its hall, observe its artifacts, and listen to the echo of the past through its exhibition, you are reminded that history is not merely a series of events, but a living dialogue between generations, where the legacy of the Klungkung Kingdom continues to shine with undiminished brilliance. After exploring the historical riches of Kertagosa and Semarajaya Museum, be sure to visit Semarapura Market. Here, you can find Klungkung's traditional endek fabrics, local delicacies, and authentic Balinese cultural souvenirs. Klungkung is not only about the past, but also about wisdom, beauty, and the cultural identity of Bali that continues to live and thrive in every corner of the region.